Today I stopped by this Lowe's in South Phoenix, and they actually have a really nice selection of indoor plants. While I was here, I was talking to someone who said they don't like spending a lot of money on plants because they're afraid they might kill them, and it's just a waste of money, just to take them home and then watch them struggle. But isn't that how we all feel? So here at this store, they had a nice variety of clearance plants. Nothing I wanted to take home, but people were here buying these plants, trying to find something cheaper, something they feel better taking a chance on. And isn't that what it's all about? This isn't the best kept Lowe's I've seen, but people are still coming here to buy plants, even off the clearance rack. This just shows you how different locations can be, what they carry, and how they keep everything up. And as I look around, they actually have a really solid selection of plants, and their pricing is very competitive as well. Overall, a good mix of plants and price points. Truth is, a lot of these plants are easier than people think. It's usually not about the plant, it's about where you put them. Final takeaway. So this just shows you every location's a little different. Not the most appealing store overall, but the indoor plants here, well, it surprised me. Best selection I've seen. If you're wondering if I bought something, stick around and find out. This is the one I ended up taking home. Just something different. Stood out right away. It's a golden crocodile philodendron. The color here looks like there's something wrong, but actually it's supposed to look that bright. It's how the plant grows. As it matures, it gets bigger and a little deeper in color, but it always keeps that yellow look. You're into this kind of stuff, comparing stores, seeing what's out there, what's worth buying, go ahead and subscribe. Follow along as the story grows. I'll see you soon.